So guys, in this video of Google Ads Code series, I'm going to explain you how to contact Google Ads customer care. Well guys, I've taught you many ways, many strategies to run ads on Google, right? But the thing is, when you are practicing these things, when you are practically applying these strategies, these learnings into your real life, there are chances that you might stuck somewhere or you fall into any technical error or technical glitch. In that case, you have to contact Google Ads customer care, Google Ads support center, right? And in this particular video, I'm going to explain you that how you can contact Google Ads customer care or support center. So I'm going to explain you all the three ways: via email, via call, and via chat support, right? So I'm going to explain you how you can chat, you can call, you can email with Google Support Center. So let's directly get into my Google Ads account and learn about this. So guys, as you can see right now, I am in my Google Ads account. Now, if you want to contact customer care or Google Support Center, you directly have to click in this help icon. As you can see here, just click on this help icon and this type of window will appear in your Google Ads dashboard, right? Now, here you have to scroll all the way down and here you'll be able to see this contact us kind of thing. So click on this and here you have to just explain the issue which you are facing. So you can enter the keyword, basically you can basically explain that issue in 100 words. So I'm just writing conversion because my issue is conversion related, right? I'm facing any conversion related issue. So let me write whole thing, related issue. All right, now after explaining your issue, just hit the next step button and here these are the relevant issues or basically general problem which people faces, right? So you can select any of these and if these are not the issue which you are facing, you can select other option as well, right? After adding selecting the issue or the problem which you are facing, just scroll a little bit down and here you'll be able to see next step. Click on this and now you will be able to contact your support center. Let it fetch. Yes, now as you can see, today is Saturday. Let me show you. Today is Saturday, right? So in Saturday, Google's team doesn't work. That's why we are only able to see email option, right? Otherwise, you would be able to see call and chat support as well. But as I've told you that today is Saturday, so we do have only email support. So if you want to directly email them, just select this and here you can compose your email and you can send them the mail, right? Otherwise, if it is any other day like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you'll be able to directly call them or you'll be able to direct message chat with them, right? Now let me show you another way to contact Google support. So directly go on Google and type support.google.com. Oops, I've written it wrong. It's support.google.com, right? So once you enter support.google.com, you'll be able to see options like this. So here you can select any of the property, right? Google's property. These are, so whatever the problem you are facing with any property, you can take support from Google's team, directly from Google's team. So obviously we are facing issue with Google Ads. So select this. And when you select this, you can scroll a little bit down here and here you'll be able to see contact us directly. Click here. Here you have to explain the issue, tell us what we can help. So here you have to explain the issue what you are facing. So I'm writing conversion related issue, right? Hit the next button. Here you these are the basically the same thing. So again I'm selecting other because my option is not related to these options. Hit the next button. These are the resources, basically if these resources is helpful, you can take help from here as well, right? If these are not helpful, hit the next button and here also you'll be able to see this email option because today is Saturday and chat and call support is not available on Saturdays and Sundays, right? So in on Saturday and Sunday, Google's team is on off. So keep this thing in mind that if you are facing issue with uh, your Google Ads account, you'll be not able to get rapid help on these 2 days, right? you have only email support option. So I hope you understood. I hope you like the video, and if you do so, please hit that subscribe button. I'll be meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.